welcome to the world of colors. I'm Colors. Today we're going to do a update, a recap on our DIY Crazy Sock Gnomes. This is how they look. They're very popular, and I had another idea for them that we could do with them this year. So I want to share that with you. And I'm also going to share an idea I had for Woody that we did last week. And after we got finished with them, I came up with an idea that I really liked, and I want to share that with you. So I'll be right back with you, and we'll get started. Now with the Crazy Sock Gnomes that I have here, I decided that it would be really cute to put some boots on them. And I got these little boots here, these suede boots on Amazon. They're they're called Sophia's 2 pairs of suede winter boots. And you can get those on Amazon. They're made for an 18-inch doll. And I just stuffed them with cardboard and plastic to get them nice and stiff boots, and topped them off with some marbles. And now I'm going to glue the boots to the Crazy Sock Gnome, give them a different look. So what we want to do is put glue all around the tops of the boots and set them on there. Then we'll just, this has got poly pellets in the bottom. They're great for craft shows. Even with the boots on would be a great idea for craft shows. And then I'm going to hold those there for a couple minutes, and I'll be right back with you. So I've got them glued on like that, and I don't want them to be spread out like that. I want to glue them together at the bottom like this. So we're just going to put some more glue in here and put them together, and I'll let that hold it, set up. So we've got those glued on. They're really cute, and they're really, the little sock gnome is so lightweight that it just sits on there real nice. And then I have the pink pair of boots that I thought we would do with the blonde. She's got a lot of pink in her socks here, so I thought she'd look good on the pink boots. And we're gonna do those the same way that you wanna make sure that you get some plastic and some, or cardboard or something, and just get it down in there good so it's real stiff, and then put your marbles in there for weight. I'm going to bend those back a little bit. And then you just want to put your glue all the way around. Like that. These are so cute, these boots. And just set her right on there like that. And we'll let that set up. So they turn out like this, and then you just go ahead and glue the boots together at the bottom like that. And you want to hold that for a couple minutes. And then I have some more ideas what we can do with them. Be right back with you. So I've got her little boots on her. They look really cute. And I wanted to show you, this is how they come in this little package, these 2 pair of boots. They have a lot of different 18-inch doll boots on there to pick from. And this is how they come in the little package. So some of the ideas that I had were, I thought that you could take and have them put a little letter in their hand to Santa and have them in your display. They're mailing their letters to Santa and have them lined up to get to the mailbox. Would be really a cute display with them. Some little light up trees around it, and they're just lined up, and they're just the right size. I got this letterbox at Walgreens. It was real reasonable, and I picked it up. So you might want to get that. I got it this year. And another idea I had with them was I thought you could put them in a sleigh. This is a couple, boy and girl here. And put them in a sleigh like that in your display. You could put them also on a plaque. You know how I do a lot of the videos with, now I build the project on a plaque from Dollar Tree that you can get, the wood plaques. And you could put them on the wood plaques with Christmas trees and other Christmas things around them. It would be really cute. So you can actually make displays with them and not just set them out. Although they're so cute, you can just set them out as well. But I think you could do an entire craft show with just these little Crazy Sock Gnomes in different displays, and some with boots and some without boots. And you wouldn't even have that much to take in and out of the craft show because they're so small. So if you haven't seen this video, go and see it's a DIY Crazy Sock Gnome video and see how these are made. And then I also wanted to show you, last week I did Woody, really a cute large gnome, and I had the squirrel in front of him, and the squirrel came like this in a package, and I just cut the tags off and set them in front of Woody and didn't do anything with them. And then after I did the video, I thought to myself, wouldn't he be cute if he had a snowball, a large snowball? So that's what I did with him. I had taken those laundry balls that dryer balls that I purchased, thinking that maybe I'd use them for a gnome nose, and I probably will in the future. And I just took one of those, and I took and cut the thread in between his hands like that, opened his hands up like that, and I took the ball, and all I did was spray it with some hairspray. Well, I feel like I just opened a champagne bottle. Spray it with some hairspray like that, and then I put my glitter on there. And it sticks on there really good. And I'll clean this up and be right back with you. So although I'd like the snowball to dry a little bit more, I'm going to attempt to glue them on. You just want to put some glue on your squirrel. Remember, I got these squirrels on Amazon. And then I'm going to let that set up. So this is how the squirrel turns out. He's really cute. Has a lot more character with the snowball. So you can use a styrofoam ball for that matter. Probably about a 3-inch styrofoam ball. And I wanted to tell you about that. This video is called, this video that the squirrel's in with Woody is called We're Making Woody a DIY Christmas Snowman Gnome, is what that's called. And you surely would want to go and see that video. I'm going to tell you how to store Woody. If what I do is I get these 18-gallon tubs, and I just put him right inside here. His hat goes right down like that, right into the tub. And I put his things in there as well. And just store them right inside there. That sign goes like that. And a squirrel. The squirrel I put in a little Ziploc bag so we don't get glitter all over everything. And put the squirrel in there. And just bend these down. And you've got them all ready to go to your craft show or to store them till next year. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you have a good week, and come back and see me next week. If you like this video, make sure to like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.